everyone, I'm Aishi Gupta. So let's get started. We are starting with the primer. For this, I'm using the Swiss Beauty Pearl Primer, Pore Zero Primer. And in this tutorial, we are not going to focus on our base. We will focus on eyes mostly. So I'm not taking your too much time and just quickly finish my base and tell you what I'm doing. Okay. Foundation, I'm using the Swiss Beauty's snapshot ready foundation with my triangular, my favorite one, beauty sponge. After foundation, we are using the concealer. For this, I'm using the Fashion Factory concealer and applying on my under eye areas. As always, we are using the uplifting technique. So you got it right. For setting my base, I'm using this Clemmies loose powder and a powder brush and setting my base. Taking this Inglots brown gel liner and an angled brush and fill in my brows. I'm taking this small fluffy brush and a pink color from Hilary Rhoda's palette and applying it on my upper of my crease line, actually blending it so well, just you are seeing it. I didn't take this color on my down of my crease line, but if you get it by mistake, then it will be totally fine. Taking this dark pink color and a flat brush and just making a cut crease kind of just dabbing the product so it will give more pigment. I hope so. Yeah, it giving it well done, Ayushi. So just I'm doing that. Now I'm taking this fluffy brush and blending it out for so it doesn't have any harsh edges from the corners. Blending is the key in eyeshadow looks. If you blending enough, you will get enough results. If you blending too much, you get more genuine result. Now if you messed up a little look like me, take a concealer and just conceal it. It doesn't appear bad, it just appear good as result you want. Now I'm taking this black gel liner of CV3 and applying a bold winged liner. Now I'm taking again the small fluffy brush and a pink eyeshadow, dark pink eyeshadow specific, and applying on my crease line just like I'm showing you, so it look more intense. Now I'm taking this big clean fluffy brush and blending the outer corners so it gives me a complete and finished look. Now we want to make it intense, so I'm taking the CV3's gel liner again and making a cat eye and applying on my lower lash line also, just like it on the both eyes. After that, I'm taking the dark pink color with the smallest flat brush and applying on my lower lash line. After that, CV3 gel liner and blending it so well. After completed my eye, I'm applying contour and on my cheekbones, on my forehead and jawline and also nose. And after I completed the eye and I completed this look, I took photos, videos and whatever it is. I realized I forgot to apply mascara and false eyelashes. How can I be so bad at this? I never forgot false lashes if I want to apply it. I feel so bad about that. And if you do this look, please apply false eyelashes, mascara. It will look so good, so good. even you can even imagine. So I'm so sorry guys for that, not doing that. And also this contour, I think I'm messing it up. So for blusher, I'm using the Jordani's Beans blusher. And see, I didn't mess the contour. I just did the amazing job. I am makeup artist. I didn't do amazing job. Sometimes I just make fun of myself. I love it. I don't make fun of myself. I just love how funny I am. No, I'm not funny. Okay, fine, whatever it is. Anyway, we are having this blusher and it looks good. Now it's time for highlighter, and I love the highlighters. Okay, this looks good. I'm just blending it out, and I'm using the Swiss Beauty's bronzing highlighting palette, and it looks good. For lipstick, I'm using the burgundy shade. Just as you can see, I love this lipstick. So I completed this look. How's it looks? I feel so good in this look. If you like this look, please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate if you comment to my work, and if you like it, please subscribe to my channel and stay happy, stay glam. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.